Oh boy. This one is unique. The Jansno X70 mountain bike. It's really cool looking. It looks like a motocross motorcycle in the picture. Hopefully that's what it looks like when I open it up. On there, I'll put a link in the description box for this. It shows a list price of $2,999 and on sale for $1,099. Let's see what it is. I'll probably save this box for a period of time. Oh, my head. Are you kidding me? I bet you guys wish you could see this. Oh, this is just so much fun. Okay, box of goodies, of course. Are you ready for this? I mean, oh. How do I take this out of there? Oh, This is just too cool. Hey, get out of there. Doesn't want to come out. That is so cool looking. And I can't even see all of it. Yeah. Here it comes. Oh, man. Oh, it's like Christmas every day, you know what I'm saying? Okay, free. I just got to stand it up and look at it for a sec. See what falls off. Is that cool looking though? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I'm going to unpack all of it, see what we got. I'm just cutting stuff until something falls off. Oh, wait for it. Wait for it. Dual batteries. A 14 amp hour and a 20 amp hour. 4-inch fat bike tires. 7-speed Shimano. I'll go through some other stuff. But it looks to me like this is a battery. And then there's another one down here. Hydraulic brakes. Choo-choo-choo-boogie. Oh, that's a kickstand. Front tire, I'll just set that down. It's got has the axle mounted to that. Don't want to lose that. Oh, that's cool. They have the LED readout. It's in a different location. I like that. I like that. And time to open the box of goodies. What do you think, Kaya? Directions, of course. The charger. We'll save that for sure. Lights. Let's see where those go. That's interesting. Tire pump. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, cool. It comes with a key or a cable lock, so you can just lock it up wherever you are. It's a nice feature. Got me a headlight. Looks really industrial, like rugged headlight. A bicycle and motorcycle phone support. That'll go on the handlebars. Is that 2 chargers? Yeah, that's pretty handy because there's 2 batteries, so you can charge both batteries at the same time. Brake pedals, wrenches as needed. All right, I'm going to peek at the directions a little bit and start putting this thing together. There's not a lot. right, the brake pedals, of course, they're marked left and right. Yeah. They put an arrow showing you which way to turn it too. This is a pretty handy wrench set. Has the hex or Allen wrench, I call them Allen wrenches. On the back, has a fold out for sockets, screwdriver, Phillips and regular, and a square something for that. I don't know what that's for. Let's take the handlebars off. I think it goes either way, so that's not critical. Okay. Tangle the cords up. There we go. Okay. I just carefully laid the bike down for a minute. I wanted to check the where the hydraulic brake goes into. Make sure that's clear. Looks like this is a protector. Looks like it just pounds in. Yep. Just a piece of plastic. Okay. Looks like the tire will. Hi, Kaya. Looks like the tire will slide right in there pretty well. I'll do it upright. Before I do the tire, I'll just mount this kickstand. Let's see. May want to fold that up. Yeah, without getting pinched. Just 2 screws. Pretty easy. The frame is made with it's got a shock absorber here. I don't know if you can see that. Shock absorber here to cushion the ride, so it'll be much nicer for me anyway. The axle, it has 2 spacers this time that are, one's narrower than the other. So I'm going to take it apart, and there's a regular washer, and then the one with a little bend on it that goes into a hole to hold it in position. Kaya's checking those out. Good job. Take this one off. No. She'll lug it off if I don't watch her. Okay. All right. I'll put this in. Wow, that's a good firm fit. Okay. It would be nice to have a second person. Let's see what kind of trouble I'm in. Okay. Let's just try this. I think I want to be on this side. Okay, I'm going upside down. I don't want to damage something. And we're going to put this in. I put the axle in there. I can tell that there's more space on this side, so I'll use the bigger spacer over here. Smaller one there, bigger one there. I had tried to set the tire in, and it was binding. I couldn't see what was going on, but this cable was actually out of place in here, so I just put it back in, and there we go. Okay. Flowing pretty freely right there. We'll put the nuts and washers and stuff on, And this goes into a little hole right down it. Well, it's upside down, so it's actually up on top, but and then a flat washer and an acorn nut. All right, we'll flip that over, see what it looks like. Born to be wild, looking for adventure. Okay, let's finish this thing up. All right, mounting the headlight. So there's 3 plug-ins, and they're color coordinated, so it's a little harder to mess it up. I'm going to put it together right now. Snaps in pretty well. These came with it shipped like this. They just fold out. Then you tighten those after the headlight's on. There's a right way up and down. This part is the top. So the wire's on the bottom. It looks like 2 beams. Be interesting. I can't wait to see if this stuff lights up and whatnot. That'll be cool. So there's a rubber washer and a bolt. Putting the rubber washer in to the inside of each side. So put that in, the rubber washer. That'll help it stay in position. There's 2 reflectors here. Looks like you'll probably be able to see them from a mile away. These light up. That's pretty cool. Now I'll add the bicycle and motorcycle phone support. The phone mount is pretty easy. It's just a screw that you loosen up and you mount it to the handlebar. This is the part that will hold the phone. This is another component that hooks into here, so it will slide over here, and then you use that nut to tighten it. So I'm going to attach this. I haven't attached it yet because I didn't want to do it and have it wrong. Snaps in place. So you put the nut on, and then you have to force this on. I wasn't doing that before. Makes perfect sense. Okay. You just turn it, and it expands to whatever your phone is. So it just fits in there, and then you just tighten it up. So if you have a GPS or whatever, you can just activate that, and you're good to go. Shouldn't get lost. Before we go out for a test ride, I just want to show you the electronics, how everything works. There are separate keys for each battery, probably a safety thing. There's a key here that has to stay, if you want to use the bike electrically, has to stay in here. You can pull it out now, but to activate the bike, you have to turn it on, and then you can't pull the key. So it might be good to take this one off and store it maybe with all the other keys, just to make sure if you lose this one, you have a backup. So I'll turn that back off. Okay, so this is your LED readout that has all the information. It won't turn on unless the key is on. So you turn the key on, hit the power button, and it's activated. Like most e-bikes, it has a power assist mode. Currently it's on 1. You can adjust that to 0, so the throttle's over here, so it doesn't do anything as you turn it. And then you can do 1, 2, I don't know if you can read that, but it's changing to 3, 4, and 5. And so whatever that setting is, you can just use your throttle. You see it wants to go. Let me deactivate that just for a minute. And then the headlight, is right here. Really bright headlight. I like that. Turn that off. A nice feature, oh, hey, a horn. Then right between the light and the horn is this toggle switch. And you can hit it. Let's see if you can see that. That's a directional. So that's to the right. Turn the headlight on, and then to the left. Then center turns it off. There's brake lights. They're on now just for safety. So whenever you squeeze either brake handle, it activates the brake. They are hydraulic brakes. The battery is mostly charged. I think it's enough where I can go out and run it around. Don't want to forget the helmet. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is pretty peppy. Let's go. That frame is really nice. Nice cushiony ride. So, two things. This shock absorber is great. Nice ride. Goes over those mud puddles, dips really well. The other thing is, I forgot to put the front fender on. And it's a little bit wet. So I think you know where we're headed. Heartbreak Hill is right here. We're going to see what this machine will do. Again, it's hard to get a feel for how steep this is just with the camera, but it is steep. I know it'll go down the hill. We'll see if it comes back up. The road has softened up quite a bit too. Nope. This is a heavier bike. That is a really tough hill. It made it up pretty good. But it's a really solid, rugged bike. So it's just pretty rugged. It's like a mountain bike. I love this. And 2 batteries. That's incredible. Okay, so let's go back to the shop. See what we got. So it goes 25 is the fastest it will go. it cuts out at that point and just, it's like a governor. Won't go any faster than that. That's perfect. All right. Woohoo! That was a great ride. And the brakes work great. Hey, for looks and creativity, I got to give this an A+. Just has some really nice features that I like about it. I like the safety of you have to have a key to turn it on and off. Pretty slick. 2 batteries, 750 watt motor, 7-speed Shimano shifter. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Check the link in the description box and you can see more about this.